Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make PDFs using a laptop. Creating a portable document format file is a fundamental skill for sharing documents universally. We'll cover the simplest methods first, moving to more advanced options. You'll learn how to convert various document types, from text files to images, into a professional PDF format, ensuring your information looks consistent across different devices and operating systems. This process is essential for both personal and professional use. Many laptops offer built-in features to create PDFs effortlessly. The most common method is using the Print to PDF option found in almost any application, like a web browser or word processor. Simply select Print, then choose Save as PDF or Microsoft Print to PDF. This allows you to convert documents, emails, or even entire web pages into a PDF file with just a few clicks, often taking less than 5 seconds for a standard document. If your built-in options are limited, numerous free software solutions can help. Programs like LibreOffice Writer allow you to export documents directly to PDF. Online converters are also excellent for quick tasks, handling files up to 50 megabytes in size. While these tools are convenient, be mindful of potential limitations, such as watermarks on converted documents or restrictions on batch processing more than 10 files at once. For more advanced needs, professional software like Adobe Acrobat offers comprehensive features. With these tools, you can combine multiple documents, perhaps 20 or more pages, into a single PDF, edit text and images, add security passwords, and even optimize file sizes for easier sharing. These robust applications provide granular control over your PDF documents, making them ideal for complex projects or sensitive information requiring high levels of security.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.